Time is one of the most valuable resources we have. No matter who we are or where we live, we all get 24 hours in a day. But how we use that time makes all the difference. Time management is not just about creating schedules or to-do lists. It's about making conscious choices that help us reach our goals efficiently. When we manage our time well, we reduce stress, improve focus, and create space for what truly matters. Poor time management can lead to missed deadlines, low productivity, and burnout. On the other hand, good time management helps us stay organized, feel more in control, and make better decisions. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or managing a household, learning to manage your time is a skill that can improve every part of your life. Time management gives you clarity. It helps you prioritize tasks and avoid wasting hours on things that don't matter. It teaches you to say no to distractions and yes to what really counts. Most importantly, when you manage your time well, you make room for growth, rest, and joy. You become more productive without feeling overwhelmed. In the upcoming videos, we will explore simple strategies to manage your time better. From setting goals to handling procrastination, we will cover it all. Remember, time is not something you find, it's something you make. And it starts with a simple choice to take control of your time, starting today.